Hello.
Hello,
What's your name?
my name is Rennie.
Yes. Can you tell me how are you?
I'm good.
Great. Tell me how old are you?
I'm 7.
Very good. Can you tell me what color do you like? I
I
like.
good.
No, what color do you like? We have black, brown, blue, red, green, yellow. What color do you like? I like
Black.
black. Very good. Now, can you tell me what letter is it?
Letter T.
Excellent. What letter is it?
Letter X.
Very good. What letter is it?
Letter V.
Nice. What letter is it?
Letter
The
W.
excellent. What letter is it?
Letter U.
And letter?
Letter S.
Very good. Great. Now, can you tell me what shape is it?
It's a triangle.
What shape is it?
It's a star.
What shape is it?
It's a circle.
Very good. What
It's
shape
a hat.
is it? Yes.
It's a rectangle. It's an oval. It's a diamond. It's a square.
Excellent. Very good. Great job. Now, can you tell me what shape is the pizza?
It's a triangle.
What shape is a door?
It's a rectangle.
And what shape is a donut?
It's a circle.
What shape is the window?
It's a square.
Yes, very good. Great. Well done. Now, can you tell me what is it?
It's a sun.
What is it?
It's a X-ray.
Excellent. What is it?
It's a xylophone.
Very good.
It's an umbrella.
Very nice. What is it?
It's a unicorn.
Very good. What is it?
It's a violin.
And what is it?
It's a van.
Very good. What is it?
It's a whale.
Very good. What is it?
It's a wood.
What is it?
It's a zipper.
Very good. What is it?
It's a toy.
What is it?
It's a turtle.
Excellent. Great job. Very good. Goodbye.